Hey, this is Warren from Honed by Jones, a sharpening service here in Carson City, Nevada. I'm here in my sharpening workshop and thought I'd drop a quick video on YouTube just talking about some updates to my channel and some things I want to change around. And first of all, I did a video on the Edge Pro BevelTech sharpening system. And it was a very talky video and not a lot of demonstration. And after I posted that video, I thought, you really should have done like a more hands-on review. And I actually had someone comment on that yesterday. They said, hey, what would be more helpful with this review is if you had done a more hands-on video. So I've got that in the works. I plan on doing a more hands-on review of the BevelTech system from Edge Pro. You can check those systems out at edgeproinc.com. What else is new? Probably my most popular video that I've posted so far was on thoughts on starting a sharpening business. I think that video now has several thousand views. I haven't checked this morning, but I'm going to guess 4,000 or 5,000 views or something like that. And I've actually gotten quite a few messages from people who've watched that video and who were in a similar situation to me. They had a knife sharpening business that was like a side hustle, and they were considering trying to turn it into something more than a side hustle, maybe into a part-time business or a full-time business. And they watched my video and then they messaged me to thank me or to ask me more questions. And one of the things that came up in several of those conversations is people said, hey, do you have a buy me a coffee page or something like that? Like, you've helped me out with ideas. Is there some way I can support you? So I'll try to post it on the page here. As of this morning, I made a buy me a coffee page. It's just buymeacoffee.com/honedbyjones. Should be right there on the screen right now if I do that right. So that's not, I'm not asking for any donations. It's just people have asked me how they could support me. And so if people want to do that, it's kind of the same way I feel about like and subscribes on my YouTube channel. If you like the video, like it. If you don't, you don't. If you want to subscribe and see what information I post, or see what videos I post, then subscribe, but there's no pressure ever to do any of that stuff. I just want this information to be put out there as organically and as helpfully as I can. And if people appreciate it and they want to use it to help grow their sharpening service, then that's great. So one of the things that's going to be different in the channel going forward is I'm going to try to do more hands-on reviews of things. I definitely still have some business ideas I want to talk about. I think I had an experience recently going over to a totally different kind of business, and I saw something that I think could be really helpful to sharpeners. So I'll be posting a video about that, the hands-on review of the BevelTech, and then a couple other things. So stay tuned. That's all I got for today. Just a quick short video. And I think I'm going to get to sharpening now because I got a bunch of knives sitting over here. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Later.